welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Maya here. If this is your first time here, what's good? What took you so long? Go ahead and make sure you click subscribe below so that you stay updated with everything I got on my channel. Today, I do have this look for you guys. I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers do a halo eye, and it wasn't my best attribute, I gotta say. Let's just be honest. But I practiced with it and I feel like I did it pretty good. So if you wanna see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching and I'll see y'all at the end. So I'm gonna start off by priming my eyelids. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer to put that all over my lid. I did want a lighter color so that my shadow can come through a little bit more. I'm gonna use this Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills with the color Raw Sienna as my transition color. Obviously, I do have a lot of space between my lid and my brows, so I am going to put quite a lot of this on there. I'm going to go back into that palette in the color Love Letter, and I'm going to use this to create my halo eye. I'm pretty much just going to put this on the outer corners of my lid as well as on the inner corners and just blend it out. When you do blend this color out, it does kind of become less pigmented. So I am going to take a fluffier brush to blend that out, and after that I'm going to go back into the color with the other side of this brush that came with the palette and just make that more pigmented so you really see that color. From there I'm going to go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in the color Amande, and I'm pretty much going to define the middle of my eyelid. I'm going to go into my Soft Glam palette. I'm going to grab these two colors, the pinkish color, and I'm going to put the gold on top just to make it pop, pop, pop. I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Eyeliner, which is waterproof, and I'm going to make my wing. Y'all, I just got this hair and I'm feeling it. We're going to go ahead in with my face. I'm going to prime my face with my Smashbox primer, and then I'm going to go in with my Fenty foundation, and this is in the color 460. It took me forever to find my color, y'all, and when I finally did in Chicago, I was a happy camper. I was so happy. I'm going to use my e.l.f. foundation brush to push this into my face. Today I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and conceal and highlight my face. So I actually told myself I wasn't going to use Tarte Shape Tape anymore ever since they came out with the Shape Tape foundations and did not have my color, because I tried it and they did not. But, you know, I felt like that was not genuine because I do really like this concealer. So this hair, y'all, is popping. I'm really feeling it. So I am going to go on top of this concealer as well with my Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer just to make it a little bit brighter. I did want a very bright highlight today. So just to add a little extra to my face, we're going to put this on here as well. And the Tarte, I feel like, is like my natural concealer color. But this one, it is brighter. And if you see right underneath my eye, it gives me the light that I need. So from there, I am going to set my concealer with my favorite setting powder. This is the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and it's really great for women of color. It leaves no flashback when you do photography, and it's just a beautiful finish every time. So from there, I'm just gonna brush off my face, get that excess powder off of my face. Then I'm going to go into this Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, and this is in the color Mahogany. I was very upset at Sephora when I found out this was the darkest color that they had, because by no means am I the darkest person that wants to buy these products, but you know, whatevs. Then I'm going to contour my nose as well with the same bronzer, and I'm going to blend that in with my beauty blender. I'm going to go back into my Modern Renaissance palette with that same color and smoke out the bottom of my lash line. And I'm going to also use this mascara, which is Maybelinne x Shayla, and I'm going to define my lower lashes. Then I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics palette by Carly Bible and highlight it up, because I need to be shining on y'all for this look. And I'm going to blend that with my Real Techniques blending brush. Today for lips, I am going to go with Huda Beauty. This is the liquid matte, and this is in the color Material Girl. And that just finishes off the look, y'all, and we are done. Alright, so this is the finished look. I am proud of myself for doing this halo eye. I feel good. I feel real good, you know? It's my first time. If you like this look, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe below if you haven't already and you like the channel. And I'll see y'all on my next upload. Bye.